Video, we are going to learn how to create a histogram using the DCMP Data Analysis Tool. So first off, a histogram is a way to display frequencies. It shows us the distribution of quantitative data. So the data has to be numerical for us to create a histogram. So here's our data set. This data set is looking at the shoe sizes of college students. We can see we have the index, that's just numbering the students. We have their gender, their shoe size, and their height. And then we have the shoe size split up between the males and the females. So what we want to do is we want to go first pick our data set, our data tool. So we have numerical quantitative data. So we're going to use this second one here called Describing and Exploring Quantitative Variables. So the first thing you want to do is go in and we have our own data. So we want to click on your own. And then our variable is called shoe size. So we're going to type in shoe size. And then we have to enter our observations. So to do that, we can just copy and paste our shoe size column. So if you click on the column, Control C or Command C if you have a Mac. And then we're going to go back into the tool and we are going to do Command V or Control C or Control V. Then you want to scroll to the top, want to make sure the category name is deleted, so just delete that out and you'll be able to see our histogram. So this is the histogram. You can see if you hover over them, it'll tell you how many are in each group. It looks like the most in a group was from 11 to 12. There were 80 from 11 to 12. And then you can see the rest as you go down. On the bottom is also the blocks plot, which we'll talk about later, and also the descriptive statistics at the top, which gives us our average shoe size is around 10. So this is everyone. This is both males and females, and as we know, the males tend to have larger shoe size. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to see what the histogram would look like if we split it into males and females. So we're going to go into several groups at the top. And again, we have our own. Our group name is going to be shoe size. And then we have our males and females. So then we're going to put in the males in this box and the females in this box. So if we go down, I'm going to copy the male shoe size. And you can put them in either box, just make sure you have them labeled correctly. So the males go in this box. Again, make sure you go to the top and get rid of the title. And then we're going to copy, again, your Control C and Control V into our females. And then we want to click on histogram to get our histograms. So we can see that the males definitely have larger shoe sizes and the females have smaller shoe sizes. So the highest one here was 58 for surrounded size 11 for the males. And if we look at the females, it's more around 7.5 to 8 for the females. And again, you can see the descriptive statistics up here. Average was 8 for females and 11 for the males. And if we want to change the title for the histogram, we can say shoe sizes of college students. And that gives us a title for our histogram. So this is helpful to compare. We want to compare two groups. We can use the several groups, and this helps us quickly visualize, okay, the males have larger shoe size than the females. And that is how you do both individual histograms and side-by-side histograms using the DCMP Data Analysis Tool.